We are discussing about GATE 1999 ECE paper, and this question is related to the electronics. Look at the diagram. In the cascade amplifier shown in figure, if the common emitter stage Q1 has a transconductance GM1 and common base stage has a transconductance GM2, then the overall transconductance of cascade amplifier is. Cascade amplifier is nothing but combination of common emitter and common base. First stage is common emitter, next stage is common base. So this is Q1 is nothing but common emitter and Q2 is going to be common base. So base is common and here it is emitter is common connected to ground. So for this one, common emitter is having the transconductance as GM1 and common base has the transconductance of GM2. So let us assume transconductance is going to be defined as transconductance is nothing but output current by input voltage. So transconductance, it is indicated with GM. Transconductance is GM, which is nothing but output current divided by input voltage. So output current is nothing but, here it is, output current for Q1. So for example, assume that one GM1 is the transconductance, GM1 is the transconductance of Q1. So by that time output current of Q1 is nothing but collector current. Look at this one. This is the collector current of Q1, IC1, and input is nothing but VI. So output current of Q1 is IC1, input voltage is nothing but VI. Transconductance GM1 can be defined as IC1 divided by VI, and whereas GM2 is nothing but transconductance of second transistor. Okay, so if you think, we know that when common base has a current gain of unity, that implies nothing but output current is approximately equal to input current. So if the output current is I0, that is flowing in collector of Q2, which implies nothing but the emitter current flowing in this one is also the same thing. We can say that one I0. Okay, I0 is the current which is flowing in collector of Q2. It also flows in emitter of Q2 because it has ideally unity current gain, and this I0 is nothing but now it is flowing through collector of Q1. So that implies nothing but we can say I0 is equal to IC1. I0 is equal to IC1. So GM1 can be restated as GM1 is equal to IC1 by VI, but IC1 is nothing but I0 itself. So that we can write it as GM1 is equal to I0 by VI, which is nothing but overall transconductance what was asked. So overall transconductance of cascade amplifier is same as transconductance of common emitter amplifier. So this is very important. Overall transconductance of cascade amplifier is same as transconductance of common emitter stage itself. So the answer for us is A. Thank you.